What is up, everybody? My name is William, so welcome back to another video. As you can see, I am eating some new pizzas. So if you don't know how to make it, it's simple. It's the same as my other video, how to make pizza. And I just did this. I just get crackers. You just have to get like crackers, ketchup, some Parmesan cheese. I ran out because it was the last one, and some cheese. Then cut it into squares and put it on the pizza. Then it's actually a double cheesy. So yeah. Shout out to my cousin Raymond Blueberry and MainTube. I actually subscribed to the channel before I even noticed that comment. So yeah, thank you all for watching and have a good night. Bye.